have Toyota GT86 front bumper for some repairs. As you can see, bumper is cracked in couple places and was previously repaired. It's a poor job. Do not repair bumper this way. Follow this video to see one of proper ways to fix it. Even for unexperienced eye, it looks not right. Please do not repair this way. It won't last. Leave it for professionals. First step is to remove all of the material that was used on unsuccessful previous repair. It's important to clean and sand down all of the edges. As you can see, they have used aluminum mesh in between of the layers of filler. That kind of repair will never work. Surface has been properly cleaned and prepared for the next step. Cleaning inside bit is as important as outside. My method is to use zip ties to hold bumper in place and in correct shape. An example of glass fiber kit, you can use any. It doesn't really matter as long as you mix your resin right and penetrate fiberglass properly. I will add a link in description for this kit if someone is interested. Apply resin on surface before putting any fiberglass. It will help to stick it and hold it in place whilst penetrating it. There is a special tool to penetrate fiberglass. But if you don't have one, don't worry. I will show you one of my own methods how to properly penetrate it by just adding it to resin. It might not look nice at this stage, but keep on watching video to see final result. Next step is to prepare surface for fiberglass filler. You have to sand it down to make sure filler grips properly. I will add link to description for filler as well. After sanding fiberglass filler, I'm ready for the next step. Flexi plastic filler. Front bumper is always on tension and plastic is tend to flex. So using regular filler is bad idea. It will crack at some point. Bumper has been primed, sanded down, painted, and ready to go back on vehicle without any signs of repairs. Have a look at the result yourselves and make your conclusions.